Stop wasting your money on takeout and instead try making these ridiculously good tacos at home. I use salmon here, but you can use shrimp or any kind of fish you prefer. Just start by nuggifying your salmon, add it to a bowl, season with mustard, salt, pepper, and a few easy spices. Cook them for a minute or two on each side. Grab your favorite low-carb tortilla, top with a serving of shredded cheese, Kaizen low-carb rice, jalapenos, and enjoy.
Get mouth-watering, drool-worthy, heavenly, keto breakfast, lunch, dinner and dessert recipes ebook for free.